Along all the Andes, we have a lot of deforestation. When I had been taking care of the herds of my grandparents, living near to the woods and in the woods, seeing all the creatures, the river, and in that moment I said, somebody has to save this, especially for the future generations.
My name is Florian Kaiser. I'm the CEO of Global Forest Generation. I'm also the co-lead of Acción Andina together with my friend Tino Auca.
My name is Constantino Auca Chutas. I'm the current president of Acción Andina.
The Andean mountain range. It is a huge area spanning 7 countries. The introduction of European cattle and sheep really took a big toll on the forests. We have a huge ecological challenge. Climate change is hitting hard in the Andes. Water is becoming a real issue. The glaciers in the Andes are melting at such a rapid pace. The forests are the only natural substitute to glaciers for capturing and dispersing water.
For us, water means life. For us, water is the economy. And for us, the water is the future of our kids. The solution for all these environment problems is to plant millions of trees.
It has a direct ecological impact. We need new forests.
They are going to stop the erosion. They are going to produce land. And also it's going to be the home of a lot of creatures.
Acción Andina is a great restoration project that covers the entire Andes. We work together with communities to restore high Andean forest ecosystems. Tino is bringing the heart of Acción Andina, the connection to the communities, to his culture. What we bring is to help him turn his vision, his dream into a reality.
We saw that the local and native communities are demanding for more action and be part of the solution.
They know that forests help conserve and help manage water. Their motivation to bring back those forests is really high.
And they are going to manage much better the production.
The work that the communities are conducting in the nurseries for the planting, it also brings direct income.
It's amazing the quantity of communities that wants to be part of Acción Andina.
Restoring our planet is a human endeavor, and friendship has a huge important role in that. The trust that you have in a friendship is the base for everything that we're doing.